Hello guys, I hope you are doing well today. My name is Samir Rahman and I will be your facilitator for this course. My goal with a Bitcoin wallet is to securely store and manage my digital asset. I aim to stay informed about the latest security practices and updates in order to protect my funds. Ultimately, I strive to maximize the growth and potential of my Bitcoin holdings through responsible management. So, this is the topic we will discuss today. First point is introduction to the Bitcoin wallets. The second one is wallet type, and the third one is key concept. Fourth one is wallet security, and the fifth one and last one is choosing a wallet. Let's begin. What is let's discuss about what is Bitcoin wallet. Bitcoin wallets are digital tools that allow users to securely store, manage, and transact with their Bitcoin hold. They come in various forms catering to dif- different user preferences and requirements. Second one is wallet type. What is wallet type? There are two wallet types, hardware wallet and software wallet. The first one is wallet, hardware wallet. These are physical devices designed to securely store private key offline. They offer high level of security and are considered one of the safest option. Ha- Hardware wallet often have built-in screen for verifying transaction. The second one is software wallet. These are application or software program that can be installed on computer or mobile devices. Software wallet can be further classified into four different types: desktop wallet, mobile wallet, web, web wallet, and paper wallet. First, we will discuss about what is desktop wallet. Desktop wallet is installed on a personal computer or laptop. These will provide control and security. The second one is mobile wallet. What is mobile wallet? Basically, mobile wallet is designed for smartphone and tablets. These wallets offer convenience and mobility. And third one is web wallet. What is web wallet? Web wallets are run on web-based platform and can be accessed through browser. While they are convenient, they rely on the security measures on the hosting and platform. And the last one valid, which is hard software wallet. Paper wallet. A paper wallet involves printing the public and private keys on paper. It is an offline method of storing Bitcoin and it is considered a cold storage option. Care must be taken to securely generate and store paper wallet. What is a key concept? There are three key concept of uh, Bitcoin wallet. First one is private key. A private key is a unique, randomly generated string or character that allow access to Bitcoin stored in a wallet. It should be kept secret and protected. Second one is public key. A public key is derived from private key and it is stored to receive funds. It can be shared publicly and with other to receive Bitcoin. Third one is seed phrase. A seed phrase is also known as a recover phrase or backup phrase. It is a series of words generated by a wallet. It serves as a backup for the wallet's private key and can be used to restore access to fund if the wallet is lost or damaged. But let's discuss about what is wallet security. First one is wallet best practices. It is a crucial to follow security best practices to safeguard your Bitcoin wallet. This includes using strong, unique password, enable two-factor authentication, keeping software and device up to date, and avoiding suspicious links or download. The second one is wallet security is backup and recovery. Regularly backup your wallet, including storing the seed phrase. And what is seed phrase? We had discussed it in the previous slides. Ensure that you can recover your funds in case of loss and threat. And last one is choosing a wallet. When selecting a Bitcoin wallet, consider factors such as security, ease of use, mobility, and your specific need. Research different wallet options, read user reviews, and stand, understand the features and trade-offs associated with each type. This is the last thing you have to remember. The security of your Bitcoin wallet is of utmost importance. It is visible to do through research. Stay informed about the latest security practices and exercise caution when handling and storing your Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin wallet we have discussed. In the next video, we will discuss other things. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.